Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the FBR app. First, you'll want to download the FBR app from your device's App Store. Once downloaded, proceed to create an account using your email address and a strong, unique password. Remember to verify your email to fully activate your new account and gain access to all features. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now that you're set up, let's explore the app's features. The main dashboard provides quick access to key sections, making navigation intuitive. Use the search function to easily find specific content or information you're looking for. Don't forget to utilize the filters. They are incredibly helpful for refining your search results and finding exactly what you need efficiently. To get the most out of your FBR app experience, consider customizing your profile settings. This allows for a more personalized interaction tailored to your preferences. Setting up notifications is also a great way to stay informed about important updates or new content. Furthermore, engage with the community features, such as forums or groups, to connect with other users and share insights. Here are some final tips for using the FBR app. Always remember to regularly update the app to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements. If you encounter any technical issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact their support team for assistance. They are there to help you. Finally, remember to check the video description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.